Jaipur has always been known as the heartbeat of traditional textile artistry, and when you talk about bedsheets, nothing matches the charm, comfort, and craftsmanship of Jaipur bedsheets. The colors, the patterns, the block printing traditions, every piece carries a story of our culture, our heritage, and our love for handmade perfection. Now, if you're a reseller, a boutique owner, or a bulk buyer, you don't just want bedsheets, you want trust, consistency, and a partner who understands your business needs. And that's where Srishti Textile stands apart. At Srishti Textile, we are not just selling bedsheets, we are continuing a legacy. Every product is made with 100% pure cotton, hand-printed by skilled artisans of Jaipur, ensuring softness, durability, and designs that your customers will love instantly. Whether it's vibrant floral patterns, soothing minimal prints, or classic Jaipuri motifs, our collection is designed to suit every taste and every market. But what truly makes us the best choice for wholesale buying is our commitment. We provide wholesale rates directly from our manufacturing unit, no middleman, no compromise on quality. Our packing, shipping, and customer support are designed to make your buying experience smooth and hassle-free, no matter where you are in India. Most importantly, our resellers and boutique partners trust us because we stand by what we promise: timely delivery, consistent quality, and designs that sell fast. When you work with Srishti Textile, you're not just buying Jaipur bedsheets, you're building a relationship with a brand that grows along with you. So, if you're looking to add authentic Jaipur bedsheets to your collection, Srishti Textile is your best choice. Join us, and let's spread the beauty of Jaipur's tradition to homes across India and beyond.